Good morning, students. In last lecture, I already explained about electric circuit, and two circuit is there. Circuit is divided into two parts: open circuit and closed circuit, and conductor and insulator. But in this lecture, I will discuss about household electricity. How in our house, which type of circuit is there? Actually, circuit are two types. One is a series circuit and one is a parallel circuit. In series circuit, one like bulb connected in series, one by one, like this. Yes, like this. With one wire only. But in parallel, first like this, then second, then third like this. That I will explain afterwards. Yes, we receive the power through the main supply. The main concept of that, we take the power supply from the power grid is there, power station is there. The actually potential difference will come from there, not electricity. Electrons already in the wire is there. When you give the positive negative, they flow in one direction, that is called current. Conventional current, you can say that. We receive the power through the main supply. We can see that potential difference from the power station is transmitted at a high voltage V. The voltage is transmitted from that power station to our home with the high power 11,000 volt. We use two type of transformer. First one is a step up or step down. Near our home, that is a step down transformer is there. Or near the power station, step up transformer is there. In there, like thermal power plant, you can say that a hydro power plant, where generator is there, generator convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Or that electric energy is a potential energy is a 220 volt is there. And step up transformer do what? Up the voltage up to 11,000. Then it is easy to come near your home because they have to travel long distance. They spend lot of energy is there for that. Sometime on the way the energy lost in the form of heat. Large power transmitted at high voltage by means of overhead electric wires or a cable. Transmitting at a high voltage reduces the energy, loss of energy is there occurring in the form of heat. That's why step up transformer is there. But when 11,000 come in near your home, the step down transformer is there, which convert the 11,000 volt into 220 volt. At your home, every appliance is work on the 220 volt. Yes, you know the three type of the wires are there. Red insulation is there, live wire from which the current is there. Black wire is a neutral wire. Take care, red and black when connected each other producing the short circuiting, producing the, you can see that spark is there. Green wire used for earth wire. You know na how we do earthing. When earth come, the wire, you know the in plug. When you 3-pin plug is there, you know, 2 pin, one for the red, one for the neutral. See the diagram. Live wire, every circuit connected with the live wire is there. Every plug, everything connected with the live wire and neutral wire. This is the electricity board where the main fuse is there. Here this is the electric meter which note the reading, and distribution board to every room connected with this distribution room in parallel form, in a parallel circuit only, parallel pattern only. Yes, potential difference in India always 220 only. Home parallel circuit is there. So earth wire, you know, 3-pin plug is there in which up pin is for earthing. Sometimes we are not using now. Anybody make the new home is there. Construction of new home is there. They always put the earthing. How you put the earthing? Connect the wire with the metal plate and try to bury it under the earth. Under the earth. You have to put under the earth. So any leakage of current is there, any leakage of charge that go through that wire to metal to the earth. Yes. And that decrease the chance of the shock. Yes. So see here, this is the parallel circuit on. Earth wire prevent the shock, upper pin of the plug being the earth pin. You know, now we discuss about, so we have some power appliances also, simple appliances like fan, bulb, that work on the 5 ampere only. air conditioner, AC, electric, that one air conditioner is there, geyser is there. So these are high power plug. In this we use the plug, big plug is there. But in the fan bulb we use a little, that is a 3 plug pin is there, but we have to use the small one. Here 5 ampere is there, here 15 ampere is there. Take care. So now we have to discuss at our home, electric meter is there. At our home, electric meter is there. On electric meter, one thing is written kilowatt hour. To understand this, first of all we have to understand. First of all we have to understand about power. What is the power? Yes, what is the power? We have to understand about the power. Yes. So now we have to discuss about the first of all power. Then you understand. Power is equal to amount of energy consumed in a given time. In a given time. Example. For example, when you punch anything very fastly, time is less. In that case, time less, power more, because power is inversely proportional to the time. Take care. When you spend energy compared with the time, it is the power only. When time is more, power is less. When time is less, power is more. When time less, power less. In little time you spend more energy, or in more time you spend less energy. Very easy. Inversely proportional. Take care. Yes. And power and energy is directly proportional. If more energy spent, more power is there. If more energy spent, less power is less. Very easy. So now we have to see the SI unit of power. Yes, SI unit of power is a watt. And 1 watt, here energy unit is a joule is there, joule is there, and time is a 1 second. So 1 watt is equals to 1 joule per second. 1 joule per second. So this is the unit of power. This is the unit of power. If 1 kilowatt you take, obviously you know 1000 watt only. 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 watt. Watt is the unit of power. Unit of power. So now we see. Yes. Now we see what is energy actually. On the meter, you know, at our home, electric meter is there, written kilowatt hour. What it is actually, we have to discuss. What is the kilowatt hour? We have to see. What is the kilowatt hour? Actually, power is equals to energy upon time. Yes, energy upon time. So we have to cross multiply. So energy is equals to power into time. This is energy. This is the kilowatt hour is a unit of energy. How? See. 1 kilowatt hour. See. Power is in the kilowatt and time is in the hour. That's why it is a kilowatt hour. If you talk about the only SI unit only, in simply it is like a watt only. Watt second. 1 watt second is equals to, see, here watt, here second. Very easy you are able to understand this. So now question is come. Kilowatt hour is also unit of energy and 1 joule is there. How 1 kilowatt hour equals to how much joule is there? You have to see. See there, beta. Yes. Kilowatt hour is equals to how much joule? First of all, you separate this. Put the 1 with R. Yes. 1 kilowatt, how many hour is there? 1000 watt. And 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Because we have to change the kilowatt hour into watt second. You know, energy is equals to power into time. And 1 watt, see, yes, energy is equals to power into time. And first of all, we see, energy unit is a joule. And power is a watt, time is a second. 1 watt joule is equals to 1 watt second. So 1000 When you convert 60 minute, separate this first of all. 1000 watt, 60, 1 minute, 60 second. So what the answer is there? See, 3600 second. Next 36 into 10 raised to power 5 watt second. If you multiply with 10, divide with 10, nothing happen. The 3.6, this you put in the point, 10 raised to power 6 watt second. Yes, convert the watt into second into joule. See there, beta. Yes. 3 into 6, 10 raised to power 6 watt second. Separate this, put 1 with there. Very easy, student. See there, yes. And 1 watt second is equals to 1 joule. So answer come in joule only. Yes, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. So this is the answer. This is the answer, student. Yes. Now our question, how we count the bill? How we calculate the bill at our home? Yes, see there, students. Now I will tell how you calculate the bill. Come at home. Yes, energy is equals to power into time. Okay. For example, one bulb is there 60 watt power given. Second bulb is there 100 watt. So which one consume more power? You have to see. Yes, power 60 watt. For example, for it was a 60 second. You have to count for 1 minute. So 60 watt into 60 second. Answer come 3600 watt second. 3600 joule. This much energy produced. Kilowatt per hour also. If you want to write kilowatt per hour, kilowatt per hour. Hanji. And if you take 100 watt second bulb, obviously which one have more power, that consume more energy. Take care about this. You know, geyser and these are 1200 watt is there. Some are 600 watt is there. That consuming more energy. Take care. Yes, how we calculate the bill? Now we have to see. That depend upon number of units. On the bill return, if 0 to 100 unit you consume, that 5 rupees charge. 100 to 150, 6 rupees charge. So same to 150 to 500 like 7 rupees like this only. For example, you consumed 150 units. Maybe 1 month bill come, maybe 2 months. 150 unit. See there, total consume 150. How, for example, old unit is a 200, reading is a 200, but now the reading is a 350. So overall 150 is there now. So now we have to see. Yes, you know 150 consumed. So 0 for 100 unit with the 5 rupees rate is there for 100 unit. So total money you spent 100 into 5 rupees. See, total cost if you want to count kilowatt of energy consumed unit in 1 month, cost of 1 kilowatt hour. So this is the total consumed, that is the cost of 1 kilowatt hour, 1 unit. Plus 100 unit, then next 150 unit. Because total 150, 0 to 100, 5 rupees, 100 to 150, 6 rupees. So here they consumed 50 unit, 50 into 6 rupees. So total you count 500 rupees plus 300 rupees. So total 800 rupees overall bill come. But government put some maintenance charges also, maybe 500 like this. So total bill you are able to count very easily. So student, you have to do this activity at home. Sure, you have the bill at home, so please you have to try to count. If the bill is okay or not. Sometime coming more. Take care about this. Yes, calculation very easy, students. According to the unit only. So this is my topic, student. In next lecture we have to discuss about two type of circuit, series and a parallel